Hello guys, AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I hope you're well. So today I've decided to do a video that has been requested a few times now on the Scirocco high level brake light unit removal. So I've done it now. I'm gonna show you the process, what you have to do to get it off, because some people have been asking if you just pop it out with the plastic tool or not, but no, you actually will have to take the whole spoiler unit off. So I'm gonna show you now how to do that. Right guys, so you start by getting obviously the boot open, because you will need to take the whole spoiler off, and to get to it you start by taking this plastic cover off and then two side ones as well. So to get it off, it's held by metal clips in there, so all you have to do is either get a plastic tool behind them, pull it off, or just use your hands because there's enough space to get them under there. To start with this one, so just get in there, they're going to be tight, there you go, just pull them off evenly. And there we are. So like I said, you're going to have metal clips holding it in. One stayed in there. So you're going to need a screwdriver to do it, or a little plastic tool that you get behind it and pull it out. There you go. All you have to do is just slide it back in there. It's back in. You're going to need to remove the both side ones now as well. They're held the same way. Just get your hand in there. There's 3 clips. So if you get your hand in there first, that's one off, and there's 2 on the side. There you go. One stayed in there, I'm going to take it out in a second. And the same on this side. There you go. Like I say, you can just slide them back in. Nice and easy. So next step, I would say, is to unplug the light unit. So lift that little tab there and pull it out. Also while you're here, push that little rubber in there, because when you're taking the whole spoiler off, it's good to have that already in there so it doesn't get stuck. Next step will be take your little plastic cover on one of the 10 mils that you have to take off. So we'll undo that 10 mil. So there's 5 of them holding the spoiler on. So that one there, one there, one there, and one there. So for that you might need a magnet in case you drop the nut inside there. I'm going to try not to drop it. When I done it the first time I did drop it, so I'm going to undo them quick. So try and be careful not to drop it. That's one out. So at this stage you have to be careful. You can ask someone to hold the spoiler on. It shouldn't just fall out at this angle, but just be careful please. There we are, all 5 of them off. Right, so if we shut this a little bit, like I said, make sure this is unplugged. If we shut the boot slightly, and just till it's even, and lift it off. There you go, that's off. So once that's off, now you're going to need Torx 20 for 2 screws that are in there. I'm going to show you now. Right guys, so like I said, 2 Torx 20 in there. So one there and the other one there. Get a little magnet to get them out. There you go. And now we should be able to get it out. Go. Just push it. There we go. And the whole unit is out. Right guys, so in my case I'm obviously using my original unit because there's nothing wrong with it. I'm just doing the video to show you how to do it. So I'm going to put it back in. Don't forget to make sure you put it in the right place. There you go. Make sure the seal is nice and tight on there so it doesn't get any moisture inside. put the screws back in. That's two. I can fit it back on the car. Right guys, so the boot in closed position. Now I would say the first thing I would do is check the seal all around the spoiler. Make sure there's no splits in it, because that's what's stopping the water getting in there. Make sure it's all fine. And now you can clean this up if you want. And the first thing to do is get the cable in first, guide it in. And then all you have to do is align the holes with the threads that you got there. So make sure everything goes on evenly. Push it down a little bit. Now open the boot while holding that. I'll push the rubber in straight away to seal it. And now you're ready to put all the 10 mils back on. I'll put the light up there. Right guys, so let's get the 10 mils on. Don't forget that this is slightly adjustable as well. So make sure you look on the outside that the spoiler is sitting on right, because you can move it slightly when you're doing them up. So I just start them up slightly in case I need to adjust them. There we go. Now at this stage we can plug it back in. Make sure that seal is sitting on properly, guys. Just double check. Yeah, that's sitting on well. Now, like I said, you can shut the boot slightly and have a look if the spoiler is sitting on properly before you do them up completely. So have a look. I can see my one is slightly off. Adjust it. Just make sure the gap is right as well. That's better. So I'm going to hold it on and do it up now while I can. I'll tap one of them up and just check if it's sitting on properly. Yeah, that looks good. Like I say, you adjust it how much you need. Now we're ready to do them up completely. That's good. Put the cover back on that one. Let me just get it up a bit more. Yeah, that's good. Put the cover back on. And now we're ready to put the plastic covers back on. Right guys, so they will slide in there first. There's little locating holes, and that little triangle bit needs to get in there, so make sure they're in properly there. Align the clips. That's good. That one in. The same on this side. Yeah, that's good. And now this one is slightly tricky because you have to align them with the holes in there first. I'll try and show you the best I can. Right, so make sure all the clips are back on, and you have to do it, get a little tab there to go in first, to start in the hole first, both sides, and then you just locate the clips. Go. Double check that it's tight. Yep, that's perfect. Right, so all I got left to do is now shut the boot and try my brake light. Obviously turn the ignition on and see if it's working. There you go, that's good. Right guys, so that's that job done. It's nice and easy. Like I said, the hardest bit is probably taking the plastic covers off because of the metal clips. So make sure you put them back on properly. And like I said, double check that your light is working after fitting it, please. So yeah guys, I think that's it. Hopefully this will be helpful for you guys. If you got any more requests, then please comment below guys, like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you much for watching this video guys, and have a good day. Bye.